Let me show you how to make the best Southern barbecue dessert. We're going to jump right into it here. We're going to start off with 3 eggs. Then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Mix that up real well. Then we're going to add 4 cups of heavy whipping cream. Stir that up, mix it up nicely. Then 2 cups of white sugar. That's right, this dessert, not a salad. The bread we use is the same bread we get from our local grocery store. It's kind of a French bread consistency. It's not super dense. We like it to be a couple of days old. Stale bread makes better bread pudding. It soaks up the liquid a lot better, holds it, and it gives it a better consistency, what we're looking for. Think more custard, less cake. Never really measured the amount of bread. It's pretty much 7 buns is what we use. Stir that in real well. We want all the bread to absorb that liquid. Usually mix it around a couple of times. Blueberries, we like them frozen. We pretty much put in a cup to a cup and a half in there, checking for stems and anything else we don't want in there. Dump them in there and mix it again. Then we're going to spray these 13x9 pans with a little Pam. And dump it in there, make sure you get all that liquid. We just like to even it out, make sure it's evenly spread across the whole pan, makes for more even cooking. Let them rest overnight, and then we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Put them in 35 to 40 minutes uncovered. And what you're looking for is a nice brown crust on the top, and you're gonna use a fork through the middle, pull away a little bit. We don't wanna see any liquid on the bottom. Give this a try, guys. Let me know how it comes out. Let me know if y'all want to see anything else. Hope y'all enjoy. Can't wait to serve y'all.